Hello, I'd like to show you this 3D printed adjustable stand that I made for the Echo Spot. It consists of 5 pieces, the base, the top piece, this screwing piece and this little ball that fits in there, and also this piece here, this piece here which I've already fitted in. This piece actually broke, snapped off there. It's honeycombed, and next time I make it, it'll be 100% fill to make it stronger. Also, I only had orange to use, the spot being white. Next time I do it, I shall make it in white. Now the magnets, it's said to use 10 by 4 by 4 square magnets, but I found them a little harder to obtain than these 10 by 4 round ones, which fit in and do the job just as good. On the bottom, I cut up an old mouse mat just to give it some grip, and let it stick to anything, stop it moving around. I'll just assemble this, show you how it goes. Into the bottom goes that little ball which pushes through and pokes through. Then we have the screw which fits in there, and we can tighten up. The slot is another thing. Next time it will be made deeper because it tends to chew it up. It's not deep enough to fit the screwdriver in, which you can adjust the tension on it there. The top bit, again, this will be glued on because that's just not firm enough. But basically together, that is it. Okay, let's see the spot attached to this. You see this piece here, it fits into the base of the spot. Now the spot isn't just a metal base as far as I'm aware. It's not magnetised, so the poles on the magnets doesn't matter, but it just clips in. But like I say, this needs gluing in here because it's just too insecure. But it does work, and I will glue it in. So let me just show you around it. Obviously it needs to be done in white because it doesn't work, does it? But it is the first attempt. Number 1, should we say. But it holds it quite secure. I'm going to glue this in and come back to you. Okay, we're now glued in place, and as you can see, you can adjust your viewing angle, which makes it a lot easier, because I find the way it sits without the stand, you're very limited, especially if you're using the camera. You're at that angle constantly. But attached to the base gives you the option to put it straight upright. It seems to work okay. But like I say, this is number 1, should we so call it. I will be doing it in white, and that centerpiece is going to be 100% fill. Maybe I'd like a bit more weight in the bottom. I mean, it's okay, it's not going anywhere. And the mouse mat rubber does hold it in place. It's not going to slip off anywhere. But it's a good idea. And it's a lot cheaper than what Amazon tried to sell you. I think they're about £20 or somewhere like that. Which is a ridiculous price, really. The files for the 3D printer, I'll leave it in the description below. They're not my files, so it's a link to a page. Off I go. Nothing to lose. Like I say, works reasonably well. Just an addition, isn't it, to the Spot.